Well, I just left Yams and I'm attempting to do the boundary to New Westminster marathon here. My name is Vjay and this is my rap. Now I'm in Vancouver and I can't wait to get back. This is a shout out to Trish, alias Wonder Woman. Well, I'm back in the Burnaby stomping grounds, crossing the border. And Charlie's Chocolate Factory was there for DJ's youth, and DJ used to get his gas over on the Husky. Forest Lawn Cemetery in Burnaby. My grandfather John is buried somewhere here. I have no idea, but I just wanted to take a second to reflect. That would be the BC Tel building in the background, and I'll be making my way up to that row of buildings. That would be Kingsway. I'm tired of climbing that hill, so I'm going to make a detour at the old park, pepper stomping grounds, and maybe Trish will see some things that she recognizes. So it's all part of the Deer Lake watershed. What a massive park. I'd forgotten how big it was. Well, thanks to the magic of film, I was able to climb that in minutes rather than hours. Coming up to Kingsway via Canada Way, I strongly suggest not trying to climb that hill at home. I was just fooling myself. That wasn't Kingsway at all. I'm coming up on Edmonds, but I think we're going to take Edmonds down because that is a shorter trip to New Westminster. This really is a 3-hour tour.